Introducing BrowserStack's Remote MCP Server, the easiest way to access BrowserStack tools and agents. With zero setup, quick integration of powerful AI functions into existing tools, and access to MCP servers with just an OAuth without the hassle of passing credentials. It comes with all the functionalities of an MCP server without complex setup or local installation. Remote MCP is especially useful for secured enterprises with restricted network, users who want simplified setup, and for users who want to try MCP with online AI assistants like Claude and ChatGPT, sometimes in secure enterprises with restricted networks. Due to security reasons, you cannot use Node.js or NPX for installation, and you would get blocked from using MCP servers. We can solve this using Remote MCP Server. It eliminates the need to install anything on my local system. I can simply enter the BrowserStack MCP URL as shown on screen, and I'm in. Watch this, as I securely log in via OAuth, so I don't even have to paste my access key anywhere. Once the config is ready, Remote MCP will connect to my BrowserStack account without the need for adding credentials. The MCP server is now connected and ready. No local installs, no local setup. Simplification at its best. I'll trigger a manual test on BrowserStack.com using Remote MCP on BrowserStack Live. The device, Samsung S24, and browser, Chrome. As you can see, we were able to start a live manual testing session on BrowserStack's live product. Let me show you how you can do the same thing directly from a web AI agent like Claude. Here I will connect the BrowserStack Remote MCP Server. We will start with giving the MCP connection name of our choice, then pass the server URL. Just another moment before the connection is successful. After successful connection, let's try out one of the BrowserStack tools. I want to work on BrowserStack's test management tool through Remote MCP. Let's create a new project and folder to store test cases for one of the flows I'm building, an OAuth flow in my project. Done. The MCP server creates and returns my project name, project ID, folder name, and folder ID, ready to store my test cases. Whether you're coding, testing, or debugging, Remote MCP makes it seamless to integrate BrowserStack into your unique workflows. It's open source on GitHub. Try it today and plug it into your workflows. Thanks for watching and happy testing.